Thousands attend the mass rally organized by Scheduled Tribe Demand Committee seeking Scheduled Tribe status. AICC leaders arrive in Imphal to chalk out pre-poll plans. General Secretary C.P. Joshi says he wants to understand political situation in Manipur first. Four MLAs of All India Trinamool Congress, Thalnaujam Shyam Kumar, Oinam Lukhoi, K. Sharat and I. Bohalbi quit party to join Congress. And Manipur gets its first open heart surgery centre. Chief Minister inaugurates Ajay Koul Centre for Heart and Lung Surgery at Sky Hospital and Research Centre. Hello and welcome to Impact News. You're watching Primetime English News. I'm Laitengwa Monica bringing you the top stories. Thousands of people today took part in the mass rally demanding inclusion of Meitei Meitei in the Scheduled Tribe list. The mass rally is organized by coordinating body Scheduled Tribe Demand Committee and was attended by representatives of various civil society organizations, local clubs, student bodies, differently abled persons and citizens of all walks of life. The rally began at 10:30 a.m. from Thangmaiban Thau ground, passing through Khoyathong, Hata Minuthong, finally culminating at Hapta Kangjebong. A public meeting was also held at Hapta Kangjebong. The demand of the Scheduled Tribe Demand Committee is inclusion of Meitei Meitei in Scheduled Tribe list under Article 342 subclause 1 of the Indian Constitution. Those attending the mass rally said the objective of the campaign is to bring communal harmony with all the ethnic groups and communities living in the state. Communal harmony can be achieved after all citizens are given equal opportunities and right to protect their land, and that the 5 different criteria provided in the Constitution for inclusion in the ST list is applicable to Meitei Meitei community people residing in the state. Speaking to media, Scheduled Tribe Demand Committee General Secretary Laisham Lokendro said the state and central government must respect the desire of the people, which is visible by the overwhelming support in the mass rally. He also said the government must now act and follow the aspiration of the people and protect the Meitei Meitei community from the continuous influx of migrants in Manipur.
Success amani haibado akoina khanjai sida akoina maraktagi yausalakpa akoina pabdadi yaudaba mi mayam amasu yauri koi laibagi khongjat sida nahamakai de khaludraga tada tabada mayam thoraga marakta lambi de yausal ka mayam su yaweba aduna koi si aina pabda lakamagu helam gadra isi mapungoina Khali Manipur people gi oiba khongjang ama oina changsel lai ase bayam puna maksu ubiram gani aduna sumaina khongjang si changsel pa orga de koi pandam soidama ge phakane je koi yam thamu chena thaje.
After the rally, coordinating body of Scheduled Tribe Demand Committee organized a public meeting at Hapta Kangjebong Palace compound. The meeting took 3 resolutions. First, to intensify agitation demanding Meitei Meitei to be included in the Scheduled Tribe list of the Indian Constitution. The second resolution is that the Manipur government will give necessary documents along with the recommendation to include Meitei Meitei in the ST status to the centre within the month of October. And the third resolution is that in case the government does not take up necessary steps to fulfill the second demand, then the Coordinating Committee on Scheduled Tribe Demand Committee Manipur will continue its agitation. Political activities in the state has geared up with the arrival of the 3 national leaders of All India Congress Committee today. The visit comes after Bharatiya Janata Party national leader Amit Shah challenged the Congress-led government that BJP will form the next government by winning 2/3 majority 4 days back on September 14. All India Congress Committee Secretary and Rajya Sabha member Avinash Pandey, AICC General Secretary Dr. C.P. Joshi in charge of the Notice Affairs, All India Congress Committee Secretary Lakshmi Prasad Sadhu arrived at the Imphal International Airport at 11 a.m. Sagolban MLA R.K. Emo, Kakching MLA Y. Surchandra Singh, Wangkhem MLA K. Megachandra Singh, Manipur Mahila Congress Committee members along with party workers received the leader at the airport. Speaking exclusively to Impact News, Dr. C.P. Joshi says the objective of the visit is to understand the political situation in Manipur first and to interact with the party workers.
My visit with my colleagues is to understand the political situation of the state and to interact with the party workers. Let me understand it. It was my maiden visits. So let me first have feedback from my party worker, then I'll able to react on this.
4 MLAs of All India Trinamool Congress today resigned from the party's primary membership to join Congress. Andrew Assembly Constituency MLA Thongnauzam Shyam Kumar, Wangoi Assembly Constituency MLA Oinam Lukhoi, Konthauzam Assembly Constituency MLA K. Sharat and Oinam Assembly Constituency MLA I. Iboholbi today quit the party. It may be recalled that 7 Trinamool Congress party MLA won in the 10th general election. The number of MLAs were reduced to 6 following death of Hyanglam Assembly Constituency MLA Kunjo. MLAs of Thamaiben Assembly Constituency and Thongju Assembly Constituency were disqualified and they joined Bharatiya Janata Party. After that, 4 TMC MLAs were left in the party. MLA Shyam Kumar said they have sent their resignation to party national president Mamta Banerjee. He said he decided to leave the All India Trinamool Congress after the party kept silent when bill on indigenous people was being withheld in parliament.
AITC ki MP 43 hujik karan lai ribasina Manipur ki matangda ILP ki matangda parliament da wangang biu haidana kaya han haijabada yabi rakhidaba adan maram moraga koi tungi future laitaba tungi Manipur praja singi laiba issue myam da protection pibanga moidaba party sege koi yam kupna tadara matungda AITC ki resign tawraga toba party mada yaw ba haidana sima wari basi koi tungi apunba United Manipur amagi damakta tungi Manipur gi apurba satam gi damakta koi laiba issue myam sida puna gi damakta koi toksabani.
Oinam Assembly Constituency MLA Irengbam Iboholbi said it seems national parties are not interested in the issues related to Manipur. That is why he decided to leave the party.
National ki party amadi oiraga state ki issue Manipur da lairiba huji ki issue sai sida yam maru oina Naga Peace Accord ki framework se khanghandana phumjillaga thambase masi sida ekhoida khangam ma lakpa laibak si gi damakta Manipur state ki tungi damakta khanjaraga aikhoi Nahang makai ekoi khong da jinju punbal dona punda thambirakpa Bengal ghaktagi khanba Trinamool Congress tagi ekoi primary membership tagi resign tawjare base ekoi shana yana press ki thongda ekoi paujala sipijari
4 MLAs of All India Trinamool Congress Manipur unit joined Congress party. MPCC President T.N. Haokip accepted their joining. MPCC members along with Chief Minister Okram Ibobi Singh and Deputy Chief Minister Gai Khangam warmly welcomed the newly joined MLAs. Speaking at a felicitation function, Chief Minister Okram Ibobi Singh criticized BJP Election Management Committee convener T.H. Chauba without taking his name and said leaders of BJP are opportunist. He said that the Prime Minister is asserting to root off Congress from Manipur, but the Prime Minister cannot root off Congress even from Gujarat. He asked the public to defeat the BJP in the upcoming Assembly election in 2017.
Election khudingi mohoi firan machu se dum singani ba moi se ba union minister su oire Congress party sida sahi kayano moina sida yauraga even up to the level of deputy chief minister bho oidana oija oithak low ba ya ba low rakanda da Congress government da sai be se really I feel pity for them Congress si bharat ki laihau dagi Congress party maru phangna puktatpa BJP maru phangna puktatpa hai besidi Mang da lengsin biriba democracy da thajabiba electorate sing se sina pamatraba kanda da Sri Modi ji na phuktatraga su praja singna dum mathanda phuktatjagadamne ba
AICC General Secretary Manipur in charge CP Joshi stated that while RSS, which was established in 1925, did not take part in the freedom movement. He said BJP is reaping the fruit of what Congress sows. On the other hand, Deputy Chief Minister Gai Khangam said the joining of 4 sitting MLAs of AITC to Congress has not only strengthened the party but assured that the party will be successful in the upcoming election. MPCC General Secretary R.K. Imor released a statement accepting the joining of the 4 MLAs.
अच्छा है किसी भी राजनीतिक पार्टी को अलग अलग प्रदेश में जाकर अपनी पार्टी की विचारधारा की बात करनी चाहिए 1925 से लगाकर 1943 के बीच में आरएसएस में काम करने वाला कोई भी आदमी हिंदुस्तान के किसी कोने में रहता था क्या उसने आज़ादी की लड़ाई में भाग लिया? क्या भारतीय जनता पार्टी और आरएसएस ने देश आज़ाद होने के बाद कैसा देश बनाएंगे उसकी कल्पना की थी? उनकी कल्पना नहीं थी। देश आज़ाद होने के बाद 1947 से लगाकर आज तक इस देश में भारतीय जनता पार्टी के लोग जो जनसंघ के नाम से, आरएसएस के नाम से इस देश में सत्ता में आने की कल्पना कर रहे थे। याद करिए उन्होंने क्या क्या बातें कही थी। जिस पार्टी की कोई नीति नहीं हो वो देश का निर्माण नहीं कर सकता।
On the other hand, Manipur Pradesh Congress Committee Secretary Dr. Sapam Ranjan of Konthozam Assembly constituency resigned from the party, along with 5 pradhans of the constituency also left the Congress party. According to sources of Impact News, they are likely to join BJP. Manipur today gets its first open heart surgery center. Chief Minister Okrami Bobby Singh today inaugurated the first open heart surgery center, Ajay Kual Center for Heart and Lung Surgery at Sky Hospital and Research Center, Rims Road. After inaugurating the center, Chief Minister also checked the latest equipments at the center. At a function held at Ima House, Lamphilpant, Chief Minister Okrami Bobby Singh said it will take time to achieve the goals set by the state government in the healthcare sector. Chief Minister also said the private hospitals also play a very major role in improving the healthcare sector. The function was attended by Health Minister D. Korungthang, Chief Secretary Oinam Nabakishore Singh, Health and Family Welfare Commissioner P.K. Singh, Sky Hospital Chairman Dr. L. Shamkishore, among others.
Open heart surgeon singna surgery tawdana pura heart che hang to oga masi torkani hai masi ekoi di Manipur da sigum masi yam lapna khalambani health ki problem si ekoi lal amaga chap manana ekoi lan changsan maga ward changsan maga chap manana ekoi thengna ba darkar hoye si ekoi fill tawjabani Imphal mandle si international flight parakwa matamda mandle si Imphal airport tagi pung amakhakani aduna masigi connectivity si phagalakwa facility si lergadi Manipur si atai tourism da atai infrastructure semgat padawna health tourism oina koi sungsoi soina ID lakani.
Bharatiya Janata Party Manipur Pradesh initiated social media campaign calling for people's opinion to publish its state vision document. The party has published a tentative list under the leadership of its state vision document committee convener Dr. R.K. Ranjan. The list includes 14 subheads on different issues of Manipur and regarding the development of the state. The party's president K.S.H. Vavananda also launched a Facebook page by the name BJP Manipur Pradesh State Vision Document at its Nityai Path to take office so that people can put forward their opinions through social media. BJP Medical Cell Manipur Pradesh today organized a mega medical camp at Iroisemba Community Hall under Oripok Assembly constituency. BJP Manipur Pradesh President Khetrimayum Bhavananda said the camp was organized under the instruction of BJP National General Secretary Ramlal. The leader had instructed BJP Manipur Pradesh to organize medical camps in all the corners of the state. Speaking at the frequent allegations levelled by Congress against BJP, Thongju Assembly constituency MLA T.H. Biswajit said BJP works for the welfare of the people and that is why Congress party is indulged in the blame game. Facilities were provided for problems related to gynae, skin, surgery, dental, ENT including hepatitis B and C screening test.
Medical camp sinjari basi doctor na laaga anaba patient bu unaba lakpani na khanbiraga ahallaman punmangna na punmangna lakpiraga yari makai khudong jaba lobiu anaba si laitragadi paisa paibidigi hena nungaibani anaba bu leiradi paisa yamna pairaga su madu punsida khwaidagi nungaitaba thokdo amani anaba leibani khangde leitabani khangde ngasi anaba dictate tokbiyoraga akoi tamo dijamni na piriba khudong jaba si lobiraga
Nupilal Memorial Association Manipur today offered tarpon to the martyrs of Nupilal 1939 today. The event was held at the residence of late L. Rajani of Lokrakpam Lekai. Association Steering Committee Secretary Longzamba Netaji Meitei said starting this year, tributes will be paid to all the freedom fighters who laid down their lives in the Nupilal.
Manipuri ki khunai da Nupilan ki mutraba sanagi kalini iduna leiraba ima singbu ningsingba haibase aikhoi lehoriba macha masu oiba aikoina tangai phadana tawdaba yadraba tunglam chatta generation amadagi na generation kayada lehaugadoba wari likhun singado ima singasina mating leina अंग्रेज सरकार की मायोक्ता खुला यावदना थाबम तरा मरिनी हनबलेतना थौना फना सोनखिबादो इमासिंग अदुगी थौनासिंग अदो आइकोइना निंगसिंग ले हारगा अदुंगबा थोरम अदो आइकोइना ngasi pangthokjabani.
Let's take a short break. We'll be back with more news updates.
Lengsin birau Thangmaiban DM College Road ta leiba Eastern Suzuki da fangbiragani Suzuki ki gari macha sing makhal suna Mafam sida Suzuki da train tarba mechanic singna ningthina service piriba servicing center ki khudong chaba amasung spare parts sing MRP rate ta fangbigani loinana irai laina loan loba yabagi khudong chaba su pizari ngasi maglengsin birau Eastern Suzuki Thangmaiban DM College Road Imphal Manipur.
Welcome back. You're watching Primetime English News. The 5th Foundation Day of Student Union of Kanglei Park was observed today at Hotel Classic Grande Imperial Hall, Chingmirong. Speaking at the function, Dr. Thokjom Mania said student organizations are taking part in the different issues taking place in the state, and there is also need for all the student organizations in the state to work together in bigger issues. He also said there is no problem in students joining politics, but they should understand which party they are joining.
अखोई इश्यूज अखोई मैं पुनमक्सी थेनरक मतमदा अखोई प्लेटफॉर्म संगी कॉमन प्लेटफॉर्म दि मानदब मयाम पुलि मयाम पुनमक्सी पुल का अखोइना कंसेंसस पुथो कांदा मदे इंप्लीमेंट तौदने अखोई तबलिसे पंक्चुअलिटी अखोई मतम दि नाय बताई इक्वालिटी से कंटिन्यूटी से यावे चांग नाय बताओ अदुगा मोस्ट इंपोर्टेंट थिंग इज इंटीग्रिटी नोई नसादा कॉन्फिडेंस का बेना नबु सेंस बताओ नत्रगदि अंक यारो मिनम सासवंदा Uncle Pondawi, politics, I have no objection to that. But you must be very careful and you have to select what type of politics you have to join.
Commerce and Industries Minister Govindas Konthausam inaugurated a community hall at Ningthokong Lekai Achauba in Bishnupur district. The community hall began construction in 2000 with the help of the minister at the cost of 2 lakh rupees. All Manipur Students Union AMSU has banned Coca-Cola products in Manipur from today. An unidentified miscreant planted a hand grenade at the residence of Khetri-Mayum Chandrakumar at MG Avenue in an alleged land issue. The hand grenade was found by Tulachan, brother of Chandrakumar, this morning around 8 in a polythene bag at their courtyard. A letterhead of KCP Koro was also found in the bag when city police recovered the bomb. The letter, which is addressed to Chandrakumar, threatened of mortal attacks if they do not leave the land on which they are living by 20th of this month.
Plastic polythene amubasida hand grenade amaga Kanglei Park Communist Party Koro haiba group amagi letterhead ta che amaga warning amaga iraga thamameba matam sangna tonarpa lamgi case ama leba case ki matang da mokoina warning amoina thareba September 10 bawgi manung da koi lamje thado chakhi domne case hujik high court su pending lady lower court su chathariba case loid laidriba loiba naidab moi nampu saso no tawreba moi se live organization sina akhoi da gi so akhoi wa su tabiyoba namata gi wa taraga thabak tawdo tawigano request tawjage case to the court am chathajano.
Young Pioneer Organization Imphal organized a state-level painting competition for students of class 1 to 10 in connection with Young Pioneer Organization Imphal at Samasaki High School, Moirangkom. About 120 students took part in the competition held in 3 different categories. Prizes were also distributed to the winners. Sri Satya Sai Seva Organization Manipur today organized a one-day blood donation camp at RIMS Blood Bank on the occasion of its Global Blood Donation Day. Sri Satya Sai Seva Organization members and others donated blood at the camp. Around 100 persons donated blood in the camp.
Masi aikoi di darkar laiba mi singi aikoi na seva tawa habisi organization gi objective ne. Ana madugi objective tu gi makha da aikoi na blood habisi mi khudimona darkar leba port ni na madu ekoi gi service program moina ekoi na chathaba program.
BJP Mahila Morcha yesterday celebrated the 66th birthday of Prime Minister Narendra Modi at various children home in Imphal. The Mahila Morcha members distributed sweets and snacks to the children at Mahila Kalyan Samiti in Dualalan, Child Care Center in Thangmaiban, Center for Mental Hygiene in Changangai, Airport Road and Carmel Jyoti Children Home in Luang Sangbam. They also prayed for good health, long life and many years of service as a Prime Minister, and children of Carmel Jyoti Children Home in Luang Sangbam sang a song for Prime Minister Narendra Modi. The 10th Foundation Day of Coalition Against Drugs and Alcohol KADA was held at Manipur Press Club today. Manipur Legislative Assembly Speaker Thokchom Lokeshwar, KADA President Advocate Yumnam Ratan Kumar and National President of FIGODAB, Dr. A. Jayanta Kumar, Padma Shri awardee, attended the function. Speaking at the function, KADA President Advocate Yumnam Ratan Kumar said even though Manipur is a dry state, liquor is freely available everywhere.
Prohibition Act se ek pass tawkiba matungdagi yu thakpai changkhe thakibti hengakhre atopa rajya singdadi Prohibition Act se mapung phana pangthoknabagi damakta adagi miyoibagi hakchang si masamo phana leinabagi damak imungi senthum kannabagi damak amadi samaja crime thonnabagi damakta hairuma yai ka bachak singa sibu thamoi singna control tongnaba sason adun hone KADA na chaitra mapung pharaga su lamdam sida sason tawkiba chahi tara sida ngasi phawba masigi mayokta lepagi saktam se khoi uba phangjadaba sina maram rakanda tara sobo mapuk kumo sida aikoi gi KADA da akanba akoi gi polum masu akoi di pire na maina logjabanu milinga sisi.
Around 2,000 saplings were planted by locals of Kairao Bitra, Salam Lamkhai and BJP workers under the supervision of BJP Kishan Morcha, Imphal East on the occasion of birthday of Prime Minister Narendra Modi yesterday. BJP Kishan Morcha Vice President Ningthauzam Itomba, Executive Member Salam Lala collaborated with the Youth Development Center Club, Irulbung Library Club and Litan Makong Youth Club. Around 100 saplings were planted at Mayai Lambi College, Yumnam Huidrom, and opened a Youth Red Cross unit at the college campus. Secretary Indian Red Cross Society Manipur State Branch Dr. Y. Mohan opened the unit along with the college principal and staffs and volunteers of Red Cross. Ziribam District Demand Committee JDDC organized a relay hunger strike at Ziribam demanding upgradation of Ziribam subdivision into full-fledged revenue department district. The Old Ziribam Road Transport Drivers Union and Old Ziribam Auto Rickshaw Owners and Drivers Association staged protest of hunger strike supporting the agitation. The relay hunger strike was also supported by many leaders of civil society organizations of Ziribam.
Bambu mapung phaba revenue district ama oin view haina matam kai mama jangal base atuba matamda Manipur sarkar na hairiba mapung phaba district ama tagopi haina sudayungi mage deju haijari to tholakpa taraga du mase akoi Manipur government na daida khudima kafata daida khudima Manipur government amari Manipur mapim pa khudima na lawgadam.
Now news from the world of sports. Central Swimming Club Wangkai Ningthem Pukrimapal won the 4th the Welfare of the Youth's Liberty Conduct Organization Cup Water Polo Championship. In the final match played today, Central Swimming Club Wangkai Ningthem Pukrimapal defeated Kongba Youth Organization Team A 9-8 to lift the championship. The winners received a trophy and a cash award of 10,000 rupees, while the runners-up received the runners-up trophy and a cash award of 7,000 rupees. The second runners-up team, the Welfare of the Youth's Liberty Conduct Organization Kongba Team A, received second runners-up trophy and cash award of 5,000 rupees. The Welfare of the Youth's Liberty Conduct Organization Kongba organized the championship under the aegis of Manipur Swimming Association at Syampurkhi, Kongba. In the matches of the Maharaj Kumar Ghanendrajit Memorial Super Division Football League tournament played today, Sak Yumnam Kunaw trounced PYA Kairang 4-0. M. Romi netted 2 goals while N. Rupachandra and H. Roman netted 1 goal each for the winner. In another match, ABA Khetrigao defeated Nifso Kaibi 4-3. Singjamai Kendra Kangkhut defeated Konthauzam Kendra Kangkhut 49 in a match of the 5th Mangsa Tabam Ibo Yaima Amadi Punyavati Memorial League cum knockouts Kendra-wise Kang tournament played today. 12 teams are taking part in the tournament organized by Singjamai Kangkhut at Namairapam Mandap cum Community Hall, Singjamai Chingamathak. There will be no match tomorrow. Wangoi Kendra Kangkhut will meet Kaisamthong Kendra Kangkhut in the 20th of this month. Before we end, a quick look at the headlines once again. Thousands attend the mass rally organized by Scheduled Tribe Demand Committee seeking Scheduled Tribe status. AICC leaders arrive in Imphal to choke out pre-poll plans. General Secretary CP Joshi says he wants to understand political situation in Manipur first. Four MLAs of All India Trinamool Congress, Thangnawjam Shyam Kumar, Oinam Lukhoi, K. Sharat and I. Bohalbe quit party to join Congress. And Manipur gets its first open heart surgery center. Chief Minister inaugurates Ajay Koul Center for Heart and Lung Surgery at Sky Hospital and Research Center.